This is a review of Edifier G2000 PC gaming computer speakers. And the reason I bought these because I do have a PS5 and liked to have these with my gaming setup. This is our speakers for laptop, Mac desktop computer, Woofer speakers. It's a Bluetooth, USB 3.5 millimeter aux, and inputs RGB lights, multimedia speakers. And this is a high quality audio performance, 2.75 inches of full range, and backward mega bass port of 16 watts of RMS power, 32 watts of total peak power. I highly recommend them. I give them a 5-star rating if you're somebody that games.